Paano po if customer service rep and one mag-start as VA, ano pong malapit sa class na meron kayo? Okay, let's answer the most common question that I get kapag ka may experience sa not just BPO but overall customer service or nag-a-assist ng customers. So it doesn't matter kung nag-a-assist kayo ng customer sa malls, kung wari na doon kayo sa information, basta meron kayong interaction with the customers, kayo yung frontliners pagdating sa customers, that simply means na kaya nyo mag-offer ng dalawang services, administrative and support. At kapag kaya nyo to, I highly recommend that you also learn how to do creatives. And when it comes to creatives, you don't necessarily have to be parang yung gumagawa ng mga magagandang graphics. No. What I would recommend is, lalo na kung naghahanap kayo ng offline and mostly flexible yung oras, is yung aming copywriting class. Kasi, just to give you an overview, a freelance copywriter creates written content for various purposes, primarily marketing and advertising. So yung main task niya is to craft compelling and persuasive text that effectively communicates a message to target audience. Isa sa mga role ng copywriter is to understand yung mga customers, yung support. So you get to talk to people, naiintindihan mo kung ano yung mga needs ng mga tao, you'll do your own research. And this could actually include writing website copy, social media post, email newsletters, product descriptions, advertisements, sales pages, even more. Freelance copywriters often work with clients on a project basis, meaning pwede kayong i-hire ng may specific campaign lang or assignment. You need to understand your client's brand, target audience, and goals in order to tailor your writing accordingly. Researching the industry and competition, understanding SEO principles, and staying updated on marketing trends are also important aspects of this job. So overall, dahil may experience ka na sa support, may experience ka na sa administrative, naghahanap ka ng something na non-voice, as a freelance copywriter, you can actually use your writing skills mo to help businesses and individuals effectively communicate with yung message nila with their customers, their clients, and achieve yung marketing objectives. We actually have a class for copywriting that's coming up this weekend. If you guys want to join, so, punta lang kayo dito sa link sa bio ko. I-click nyo lang yan. At bago to, dahil humanda kayo. But this is our new landing page. Welcome to our community gig hub. Makikita nyo live mentorship. Hanapin nyo lang 999 copywriting. Level 3 with internship na yan. And kung gusto nyo, i-check nyo na rin yung pababa. Later ko lang ipapakita. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!